The sea wolves took a fleet of gunships across the boiling seas, heavy bolters hammering death into the corrupted cephalopods that hauled their bulk onto the ice floes in search of human meat. Engir Krakendoom himself fought blade to talon with a flame-skinned sea hydra, cutting off one boulder-sized head after another with his power spear longshaft before delivering the death blow with his bladed storm shield. In doing so, he saved the Ice Whaler tribe from slaughter, but committed his men to a tempestuous battle upon tilting ice floes, locked in combat against demons that clambered from the monster's corpse. Engir Krakendoom serves as a Wolf Lord of the Space Wolves chapter during the era Indomitus. The leader of the Great Company, the Sea Wolves, this Space Marine, descended from a proud history of Fenrisian warriors of its southern islands, are revered for their seafaring explorations. His title derived from his casting into the waves caused by a multi-limbed sea devil of Fenris's oceans. This son of the Death World was said to have throttled the sea beast to death using its own tentacles. Preferring to embark to the front lines within armoured transports, the Jarl of the Sea Wolves excels in ship-to-ship conflicts as his excess of swift claws overwhelm their decks. Famed for his sealing of the warp rift of Sloth, the mutated void whale, now stretched to 12,000 miles of twisted flesh, threatened to swallow the stronghold of Perilia. Hunting the beast, alike to the entities which lurked beneath the tides of Fenris's oceans, the gruesome slaughter rent from its circulatory system created the Perilian gas belt from its remains. His efforts during the hunt for the Wolfen, seeing to the defeat of both Eldar and demons on the world of Sparta IV, his company also aided the defense of the Aet against the Drukhari raiders of Duke Slifkus. The duty of the Sea Wolf to slay the most fell monsters of the Void not yet done, his great company revels at the chance to humble the enemies of the Vilka Fenrika.